Hello, good morning everyone. Today's topic is prepositions of time. As the title suggests, prepositions are not that easy to understand, but at the end of this video, it is hoped that each one will have a better understanding of them. There are several prepositions of time, but we are going to focus on these three: in, on, and at. Do you know when and how to use them when you talk about time? So we usually use in with the parts of the day. For instance, we say in the morning, I usually go for a walk in the morning. In the afternoon, the bus arrives in the afternoon. In the evening, the city is busy in the evening. We usually use in also with longer periods of time, such as month. So we say in January, March, or in August. In is also used with seasons. So we say in summer, spring, in fall, and in winter. And by the way, when we're talking about specific season which comes with a year, we use the before the season. Hence, we say in the summer of 2021, many children had contracted chicken pox. Of course, you should not also forget that autumn and fall are used interchangeably as words for the season between summer and winter. In comes with centuries and decades too. So we say in the 20th century, in the 21st or 21st century. You know how to figure out which century we are in? Take the first two figures from 2023, that's 20 plus 1, so that would be 21, and now we are in the 21st century. So now let's move on to talk about the preposition on. We usually use on with days of the week. We say on Monday and so on. We add it also before a special occasion, so we say on my birthday or on their graduation day. On also comes before a date, so we say on May 20th or 30th. It also comes before holidays, especially those that come with word day, like Christmas Day. We say we exchange gifts on Christmas Day. However, we can also say at Christmas to pertain to Christmas, not just being the day, but around that time. So, for example, we say the snow is thicker and the wind is colder at Christmas. For longer holidays like Chinese New Year, we use at, so we say at Chinese New Year. We use at before time, we say at 7 o'clock or anywhere with time, such as at dinner time, at lunchtime. At night is used to mean the whole night without being particular with the time. Example, we say she's a nurse who works at night. However, we make use of the word in before night if we mean it to be a particular part of the night. For instance, we say I could not sleep and I frequently or often woke up in the night.